Hello, this is Ken. I like making things. I enjoy being creative and love trying new tricks. My goal for this channel is to challenge myself and create fun stuff for myself. If you want to see me explore ideas and figure out ways to DIY a variety of stuff, click the subscribe button. Last week I remade my Pokédex from 20 years ago. I had a lot of fun. Today I am going to improve, upgrade, enhance this Gohan figure, building him a mini stage so he can look cool on my display. I will be using everyday basic tools and material, saving myself some money so I can spend it on my next figure. Hahaha. Gohan is a character from the Dragon Ball series. He's the son of the main character, Son Goku. Gohan is my favorite character. Probably because I was the same age as him when I first watched Dragon Ball Z. Gohan is a unique character. He's never the strongest fighter, but he always had untapped potential. This was also something I felt like I could relate to as an introverted kid. This particular version of Gohan is probably the best version of him. Cell is about to destroy the world, and it's up to Gohan, in his Super Saiyan 2 form, to save it. Anyway, let's have a look at the figure. Gohan's left arm was injured by Cell, and he is doing a one-handed Kamehameha. It looks a little strange from the back. He kind of looks like Tarzan. Hahaha. Otherwise, this figure looks pretty good. Now here's another Teen Gohan figure. This one is one of my first Dragon Ball figure I've ever owned. In fact, this was my 5th birthday present. I was obsessed with Dragon Ball and Gohan since the beginning of time. Alright, now, here's a Goku figure. Any Dragon Ball fan would be able to instantly recognize this iconic pose with Goku and Gohan. But first, let's look at Goku by himself first. This is the iconic Kamehameha pose, a move originally taught by Master Roshi. It has become Goku's signature attack throughout the series. This pose looks so good in all angles. Goku in his Super Saiyan form with this pose screams Dragon Ball. Now let's complete this set. Let's put Gohan and Goku back together. This is the famous father and son Kamehameha. I love how their hands go together. They look amazing together. To give more context, Cell was going to finish off Gohan with his father's own Kamehameha. Gohan was countering it with his own version of the one-handed Kamehameha. However, he wasn't strong enough and was about to give up. That is, until Goku gave him a final push from the other world. This finally gave Gohan the power and confidence to defeat Cell and save the Earth. So, can I make it? A couple of weeks ago, I made 2 mini stages for another Gohan figure, the Great Saiyaman. I decided to use the 3D one for him, but this other one with the anime lines is perfect for today's video. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Because this mini stage will feature 2 figures, the background cannot be too distracting and takes the attention away. This background is perfect because the blue complements their hair and outfit so well. And the best thing is, it's the exact replica of the original manga panel. The only thing I need to change is this name at the bottom. Hiya. Here's it printed again with the correct name. Let's trim it on the cutting mat. Cut, cut, cut. And cut, cut, cut. Alright, here it is. I will be gluing it over the original one. But before I do that, I am going to try something. I want to make it more 3D because I love 3D things. So I am going to make some cuts by using the anime lines as a guide. Cut, cut, cut. And more cut, cut, cut. And some more cut, cut, cut. I am going to use a glue stick because white glue's moisture will warp the paper. Alright. Now I am going to bend the pieces I cut earlier. I am using a tweezer here for better precision. Okay, let's see how it looks. That did not turn out the way I thought it would. Hold on. Be right back. Ta-da! That's much better. I did some more cut behind the camera and made sure there's variety to keep it visually interesting. It kind of looks like the energy wave from the Kamehameha attack. Yay! It looks great as a Kamehameha background. It looks like Gohan is firing the energy wave at us. Of course, I cannot just leave it like that. I must include Goku to complete the father and son Kamehameha mini stage. Here it is. This looks so good. I am so happy about the result. The figures by themselves were fine, but displaying them on the mini stage helps me recreate iconic scenes. And now, let's compare this with Cell and his perfect mini stage. I love that they are so different. They could have shared the same background or looked like they were interacting with each other. But by doing it this way, I can have them display separately or together on my shelf. Alright, here's the final product. What do you think of this mini stage? Let me know down below. If you like what I've done, please share this video and give this a like. Subscribe if you want to see me upgrade more figures. I can make it, so can you.
Last time on Dragon Ball Z. Android 17 and 18 have been absorbed by Cell. And Android 16 cannot do anything about it. Cell has invited the strongest fighter to his Cell games. Goku accepts and sends in his son. But it is okay because Gohan is stronger than Goku. Will Gohan be able to defeat Cell? Super Saiyan 2 Gohan and Goku on their mini stage, now available, batteries not included.